Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best hiking pull cart that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Rock and Roller Folding Pole Cart. The Rock and Roller Cart is a good option if you want a metal cart without synthetic walls. The design of this cart allows you to stack items on top of one another, so you can really put a lot of gear on the cart. It has a maximum load capacity of 500 pounds, plus it's available in versions that can hold even more. One thing to note is that this particular cart is available in 10 different styles that differ in size and maximum capacity. The maximum load of other carts ranges from 200 pounds to 700 pounds, so there are plenty of options if this one is not the right size for you. The metal construction of the cart is quite sturdy, with tall walls on the narrow sides. This is what lets you stack items on top of one another, and you can always tie the items to the cart, to ensure they stay on the cart. Moving on at number 4, we have Max Sports Push Pole Cart. The Max Sports Push and Pole Cart is a good option if you want a more versatile cart. Apart from hiking, this is also good for shopping, camping, and even picnics. The sturdy frame can handle a load of up to 300 pounds, while the soft walls help keep your belongings inside the cart. Keep in mind that the walls are not a guarantee that everything will stay in the cart. If you have any smaller items, it's best to put them at the bottom and put bigger bags over them. The cart might bounce a bit over particularly rocky and uneven terrain, which could cause some stuff to fall out. Especially since there isn't a cover for the top. The pole cart features 4 hard plastic wheels, for good balance on different terrain types. They're very sturdy, and it's unlikely that one of them will fall off or get damaged easily. Additionally, this pole cart features a telescopic wheel handle, so it should be pretty easy to maneuver. At number 3, we have Amazon Basics Outdoor Garden Wagon. Don't underestimate products released by Amazon Basics. More often than not, they are worth looking into. This holds true for the folding outdoor garden wagon we are about to review. Crafted by the e-commerce giant, the cart turned out to have 264 pounds of weight capacity, one of the highest indicators on the wagon's market. Regardless of how much stuff you need to load your cart with, chances are it won't budge. When loaded, the wagon can easily be maneuvered with the help of the built-in handle made from premium plastic. The beach wagon is equipped with a straightforward folding and unfolding mechanism, which helps to save space when transporting it from one place to another. In the folded position, your cart can be stuffed into the carry-on bag that comes with it. At number 2, we have Max Sports Heavy Duty Wagon. Max Sports is the Honda of all wagons. It has been around for quite some time and has earned itself a good reputation as a reliable carrier. The 150 pounds of weight capacity make it the perfect companion for day trips to the beach, afternoon grocery runs, and evening picnics in the park. Unlike claims from other brands of wagons, everything we know about Max Sports is true to the T. The durable fabric of the cart has UV and mold resistance characteristics, while its frame is rugged enough to withstand every terrain and weather condition. The adjustable handle enables effortless transportation, which is essential for navigating around with the heavy-loaded beach wagon. The 2 mesh pockets in the front can fit plenty of small items like a water bottle or a wallet, a handy storage space to have when on the go. And finally at number 1, S2 Lifestyle Breeze Wagon. If you can't afford the Beau Jardin folding wagon, S2 Lifestyle Breeze Collapsible Cart is your next best choice. This look-alike features everything you would ever need from a carrier: all-terrain wheels, durable 600 denier fabric, and adjustable handles are just a few of its attributes. The beach cart's frame is powder-coated steel, which prevents the wagon from quickly getting rusty and worn out. To back up the long-lastingness of the tool, the Oxford fabric is made to be waterproof. Not only does it help with maintaining the overall neatness of the wagon, but it also makes the cleaning process easy and effortless. The front wheels rotate 360 degrees for comfortable maneuvering. With 150 pounds of weight capacity and seconds-long folding and unfolding, there isn't much more to wish for.